Hey there, and welcome back for your final session here on the platform messaging and how we talk about it. This time we'll be talking around key use cases delivered by the platform, kind of why orgs buy JFrog. In this section, we'll briefly touch on the enterprise use cases that the platform facilitates, but again, we'll offer a deeper dive into specific real-world examples later on in your training. So the first big thing that organizations take advantage of with the JFrog platform is migrating to the cloud or undertaking cloud transformation. Now, JFrog's hybrid approach enables organizations to undertake cloud transformation in a more controlled and pain-free way. This is largely due to the fact that JFrog instances connect seamlessly, whether they're deployed on self-hosted data centers or on the cloud, which allows organizations to move workloads to the cloud gradually while maintaining on-prem environments, say for regulatory or cost controls if they have to hold on to assets and archive them for a long period of time. In addition, JFrog's managed offerings, the JFrog Cloud, can help organizations optimize resources and allow flexibility in choosing cloud providers and regions. The next big use case is around consolidating development and security toolsets. Now, JFrog is a platform, but it also delivers best-in-class functionality across critical areas for secure automated software supply chains, right? You're not necessarily having to sacrifice functionality and depth of functionality for the platform approach. With JFrog, it replaces multiple point security solutions, package managers, container registries, and deployment tools. And in addition to eliminating point solution, JFrog also provides that natural hub with which to integrate the remaining development tool stack. Again, because everything's flowing into and out of the JFrog platform, it really does become a central hub for your development organization. Now, consolidating with JFrog helps eliminate alert fatigue, enhances automation, provides better context, traceability, and stakeholder alignment. The next big use case that we see is around managing and controlling open source software use to ensure that developers are only using trusted, secure artifacts. So JFrog allows organizations to prevent developers from downloading open source packages directly from the internet, which is a foundational practice for secure software supply chains. By proxying public registries, the JFrog platform serves as this gate between developers and the public internet. And this allows the organization to review and secure artifacts coming into their organization and proactively block malicious or unwanted packages before they reach the developer environment, which is hugely important because in some cases, even just a developer downloading it to their local environment can expose your organization and your customers if there are malicious packages. The next big use case that we see is around improving integrity, reliability, consistency, and speed of CI/CD. And CI/CD, of course, is a central process and tenet of modern software development. So it's crucial that it is up and running and reliable, right? So CI/CD performance, as I said, is essential to the productivity and value delivery of a development organization. The JFrog platform as the single place to receive build outputs and serve them up wherever needed as part of CI/CD workflows. Now, the open nature of the JFrog platform enhances automation by providing multiple ways to connect to the development and deployment tools, including native integrations we talked about with package managers involved in the CI/CD process so that they can speak the same language. By storing and managing all the dependencies in the JFrog platform, it helps eliminate latency from having to, say, pull artifacts from public registries every time a build is run. Next, I want to talk about global software delivery, which is a big reason why organizations come to JFrog. So hands down, JFrog allows organizations to build and distribute software globally, right? We have a highly performant and advanced replication capability that ensures global teams and workflows have uninterrupted access to software components they rely on. The fact that you can deploy Artifactory around the globe, the JFrog platform around the globe and connect them seamlessly, in addition, as part of that includes distribution edges, allows organizations to move production-ready software to the optimal location for consumption, whether that's by use by another team, a customer, or runtime. And of course, additional capabilities such as our multi-site support that I mentioned, DNS routing, high availability, ensure that the SDLC can stretch across multiple development sites, which is important for our modern large enterprise. There's two more use cases left to talk about. The second to last one is compliance and governance. So JFrog enables compliance with standards and frameworks like NIST, SALSA, and OpenSSF scorecard. The JFrog platform, serving as the single source of truth for development, enables auditability and traceability across the software development lifecycle. Integrated capabilities like security scanning, evidence capture, artifact signing, SBOM generation, they allow organizations to secure and protect the software supply chain from known and articulated attacks and implement automated quality gates to ensure that software checks certain boxes as it matures towards release. The last thing, and this is a big one, is around adopting MLSecOps. So JFrog accelerates AI/ML initiatives by bringing these mature DevOps and security practices to AI pipelines. The JFrog platform is integrated with many of the leading model hubs and development platforms, and it offers a comprehensive solution for securing and managing the versioned AI/ML models and their software packages, data, and dependencies as a single entity, alongside all of the other artifacts that make up software applications. With JFrog, organizations can operationalize models with greater traceability and control so that they can bring those AI-enabled software to market with confidence. So that's it for me in terms of how we talk about the JFrog platform, who we talk to when we talk about the JFrog platform, and some of the key use cases that it helps enables. I hope that you found these recordings helpful. We look forward to your feedback and good luck on your education journey.